The striped bass has several distinct features. This fish gets its name from its distinct stripes, which are usually unbroken. Several of these reach its tail. Another subtle yet important detail about this fish is that it has two tooth patches on the back of its tongue. This can be used to differentiate it from a close relative, the white bass, which only has one tooth patch. It has a relatively streamlined body. This can be used to differentiate it from another one of its close relatives, the hybrid striped bass, which has a deeper body. Its spiny and soft dorsal fins are not connected to each other. It typically has an olive green or blue-green back with silvery sides and a white belly. There are two genetically distinct populations of striped bass, an Atlantic population and a Gulf population, though they both share the same scientific name. The Atlantic striped bass are native to the U.S. East Coast from the St. Lawrence River down to the St. Johns River in Florida, while the Gulf striped bass are native to rivers draining into the Gulf of Mexico from as far east as the Florida Panhandle to as far west as Louisiana. However, they have been introduced across the U.S. by various stocking programs. If you want to see more content like this, hit that subscribe button and check out the related playlist and videos in the description. Tight lines, everyone.